Thinking about starting a vending business, wondering where to begin and what to avoid? You're in the right place. The vending industry is worth over $30 billion a year. It's a real opportunity, but only if you understand how it works. Here's the truth. Most people fail because they fall for vending scams, buy the wrong machines, or can't land good locations. I've seen it all. People spending $40,000 on machines that never got placed. Let's make sure that's not you. Whether you're just getting started or looking to grow, this beginner's guide is your shortcut to what actually works in today's market. We'll teach you how to scout your city, talk to decision makers, and get machines placed without hiring overpriced locators. Learn which models real pros use and which ones to skip. Discover how to set prices, manage inventory, and pick products that sell fast and profitably, even with a small budget. You'll learn how to win accounts with better service, smart deals, and creative value, not by slashing your prices. When I started in vending, I had no clue. I thought it was just snacks and soda, but it's so much more. Over the years, I've built vending routes, negotiated big accounts, and created systems that generate money even while I sleep. That's my rule in vending, and it's the mindset that can save you thousands in mistakes. If it doesn't make dollars, it doesn't make sense. In this guide, we'll walk through everything step by step. And once you're in, I'll show you how to grow without wasting time or falling into costly traps. You don't need luck, you need a plan. Let's build your vending business the smart way.